In this particular presentation, I will be taking one option strategy, which is a non-directional strategy, and this benefits you whenever there will be a great amount of volatility is expected due to some event. And we have a state election results, so 5 state election results. It will be coming on 12th and 13th of November, 13th of December. So, with the view of this, I am just going to give you a good option strategy, which is almost zero loss, but some amount of losses you may incur here to the tune of 1,500 to 2,000. However, it has a great potentiality to give you 4,000 to 6,000 rupees profit. So here, it's a non-directional strategy. You do not know about the direction in which the price is going to move. So based on that view only, we are forming this strategy. So what I'm doing here, I'm taking the monthly option of 26,500 put and 27,000 call. One lot I am buying at 330 and 512. And I'm converting these things to one 2/1 short ratio spread, this call option, and this also I am forming a 2/1 short ratio spread, but it is in the cross calendar. So what I am doing here, 26,500 put I have taken, and I am just taking 25,000 put option of January monthly expiry. It is trading very much here. So 330 rupees I am paying here, and 175 into 2, 350 rupees I am receiving here. So these two things I am doing for the put option. Now for the call option, I am doing the same 2/1 short ratio spread, but it is in the same calendar month on the December. So this put option I did in the cross calendar, so it is known as 2/1 short ratio spread in cross calendar months, and I am taking these things on 2/1 short ratio spread, that too also in the same calendar month for the call options. So here call options, I am buying 27,000 call option, I am selling 28,000 call option. So by this process, what actually I am doing, the technically if you speak, so this activities of mine, the put option side, I'm just creating a slightly delta negative. So delta is slightly negative, and the call option side also delta is slightly positive, and both together it is giving me 0. And this strategy will maintain the 0 till Bank Nifty, if Bank Nifty touches 25,000 or Bank Nifty touches 28,000, in either case it will still maintain the delta as 0. Once you start moving beyond 28,000 or fall below 25,000, you will have the Bank Nifty deltas to turn to be a negative or positive. So here my view is, if I maintain this strategy, then I will be making the profit starting from 27,150 or 200. So from this range I will start making the profit, and once the strategy comes to 27,500 plus, I will be booking the profit. Same way, my profit will start in the downside from 26,400 or 300. So once it is sliding below 26,000, I will be booking the profit. So my profit termination point will be 26,000 and 27,500. And if it consolidates between this band of 27,000 to 26,500, which is having a very remote probability by viewing this particular event, if it consolidates, then I will think of booking the loss and come out. And this strategy I will be holding till that event result is getting factored into the market. Till that event result is factored into the market. And I have created a good depth in the put side, and I have created 1,000 point depth in the call side, and I have created 1,500 point depth in the put side. So at the termination point, at the termination point like 28,000 or 25,000, I'll be making theoretically, if I can just say 300 to 350 points of profit I'll be making. So that technicality you can understand once you are using any of the option strategy from this software. So this kind of strategy, once you form, you have a great hold on your trade. At same time, you should be in a rational zone. So here, this non-directional strategy we are forming because we are not sure about the outcome of the event. That outcome of event may bring some negative surprise or some positive surprise. So here we are neutral on the market. However, same time we do not want this event related volatility action should go out of our hand, and we will participate in this event related volatility action, same time with a great deal of protection and with a great deal of adjustment in our portfolio. So keep following this particular strategy and give your feedback. And we have scheduled one excellent event on 9th December. So it is on professional stock market traders course, wherein you will be learning 2 intraday principles, 5 option principles, 1 investment technique, how to choose a best stock for investment, short-term investment, and also along with the Gantt trend reversal date calculations. Very few seats are remaining here now. If you are interested, you can register for this event. It will be falling on a Sunday, and 3 p.m. to 4:30 we have English, and 5:30 to 7 we have the Hindi session. So if you think that this small part of literature is going to give you some good thought about the trading, then feel free to join this event and also invite your friends to join this event. Share this video if you like, so that others also can take the benefit of this simple option strategies. And the margin requirements and other things is being reflected here. So you just look into this margin parameter. However, it will be vary from broker to broker. Thank you very much. Keep following. We'll update on this strategy.